The pushback system basically is a telescopic shelf. It has trays that sit on a rail system, and you can basically put 3 pallets deep. You put the first pallet in on the first tray, bring your second pallet in, push that first pallet back, bring the third pallet in and do the same thing. So it's a front-loading system, but you can use just a typical forklift. You don't need any kind of a special long-reach forklift or anything like that. And then as you're taking the pallets out, you take the first pallet out. As you're backing out, the trays roll back. They're on a ball bearing roller system, so they just roll back. Bring the next pallet to the front, you can continue to unload. We just built this warehouse about a year ago, and already we have so much demand for new products, so many new products coming in, that we were outgrowing our warehouse space. So we've done a number of different things to try to make more room for this incoming product. And one of the things that we thought would be a great addition is the pushback rack. Takes up very little cubic footage of area, but you can put a very high volume, high amount of product on it. So in an area that's about 36 by 28 by 24 foot tall, we can fit 240 pallets. So that's something we just couldn't do with straight racking. The regular racking that we use, we've condensed that. We've moved it all down to a narrow aisle system and started using a new articulated forklift to make the aisles tighter. Those aisles work great for things that we're pulling daily. So we can take things off the pushback, put them on those racks, and then as the guys are picking the orders throughout the week, they can pull off of those racks. This rack is mainly just for overstock, backstock sort of things. Well, the biggest benefit will be just the amount of room that we'll save. We can store so much product on this pushback system versus the straight racking. It's going to allow us to keep a lot more backstock, buy in a lot bigger volume, and keep our buying power good, keep our costs down by buying those bigger volumes. This is going to work out great. The old straight racking systems, it seemed like, with the stock rotation that we do when we get new inventory in, we always try to, pull the oldest inventory first, so we're constantly keeping things fresh and new. And with the straight rack system, it's hard to keep your bin locations updated, and as products coming in and going out, it's hard to keep those things rotated and filled. So with this pushback system, it just allows us to, store things in a much tighter volume area. So we can keep that stock rotated, and the guys are going to save a lot of time trying to pull that inventory off the other shelves.